everyone, my name is Veronica Burgess. I worked alongside Mary Kate Armstrong and Erica Kalash to create ArrowLife. The context behind our project. We noticed that our experiences with other meditation apps on the market today were lacking a feeling of a sense of belonging or some kind of understanding. And we figured this was because most of those apps don't feature any community aspects to them, which indirectly treats mental health as a concern meant for one person. And we find this ironic because it's been found that fulfilling relationships are one of the major contributors to happiness.
One of the things that we found in our research was that people had to pay in order to use these services. So instead of doing that, we included a pay it forward system where users would give back to their community instead of paying for our services.
And on top of that, we also decided to add a community feature that would allow users to uplift each other. So here's a quick demonstration of what we put together. I'm going to run the application, and then I'm going to start by creating an account using some made-up email, name@gmail.com, and then I'm going to set a password. And now that I made an account, I'm going to sign in and start going through the menu. Okay, so let's say I want a mental boost for the day. I'm going to start by going to affirmations, our first option. I'm going to select Give Me Affirmations, and I only need one, but I can choose up to 5. And then I'll select a category, and then the application will throw me an affirmation. Okay, so now I can navigate back to the main menu. I can go to my journal, and then I'll give my first journal a title, and then I'm free to enter whatever I want. And so after I enter what I want, I can save it, and then I can view what I wrote. And then you'll see it here. But let's say I want to edit it. The program will give me back what I wrote. I can add to it. And then when I enter it, it'll update automatically, as you can see here. And then when I view my journal, it'll appear. Okay, so let's navigate back to the main menu and then go to meditations. Let's say I'm stressed out. I'll select stress as my type of meditation, and then I'll confirm my selection, but I don't have a lot of time, so I'll do 5 minutes. After this, an audio will play, but for the sake of the demonstration, it won't do that. But it will still track the number of minutes that you meditated in total. Now I go back to the main menu, but now let's say I want to give back to my community. I navigate to volunteer opportunities, and then I select Give Me Volunteer Opportunities. The program will open a web browser and take me to a website where I can search for an organization that fits my needs. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu for the last time. I'll navigate to the community section, and then all the messages will appear. But let's say there's no one online and I just made my account, so I'll write the first message and then it will appear. Now let's say I want to comment on that message. I'll write the name of the user that wrote it, copy and paste the message that I'm replying to, and then write my comment, and then it will appear. And then we can also delete it. And there it is. That's our application. So we are the creators of ArrowLife. My name is Veronica Burgess. I wrote the code for the meditation, journaling, and community features.
Hi, my name is Mary Kate Armstrong, and I wrote the code for the sign-in form, affirmations, and volunteering feature, along with the main menu that you see when you get the application.
And we also have Erica Kalash, who did most of our prototyping and design work.
There were 2 main challenges that we encountered. The first was data ethics, so collecting our user data without posing a security risk. This way we minimized it by only collecting their email and their password. We also had an issue with evolving ideas. We wanted to shift our ideas to make our goals within a reasonable time frame. We figured that it would be easier and we'd be able to accomplish much more once we switched from a programming application to working to create a program in Python.
Our experiences creating ArrowLife taught us a number of things. It gave us practice in effective collaboration as we met, shared code, and solved problems remotely. We got the chance to apply our knowledge of fundamental Python, and we developed our attention to detail as we tried to design a seamless, intuitive app from the ground up. And that's our project. Thanks for watching.